Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem missing in array. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says given an array ARR of size n-1 that contains distinct integers in the range of 1 to n, find the missing element. The array is a permutation of size n with one element missing. Return the missing element. For instance, if n equals to 5, then size of array is n-1 and the elements are 1, 2, 3 and 5, and as we can see element number 4 is missing and that is what we need to return. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So the solution of this problem rely on XOR operation, and within that XOR operation there are two properties which we are interested in. The first property is if we take an element and XOR it with 0, then the resultant value will be the element itself. And the second property which we are going to use is XOR of the same element equals to 0. So these are the two properties which we are going to use in order to get to our answer. So let us see how we will be able to use it. So let's take the same example. Over here n equals to 5 and the array which is given to us is 1, 2, 3 and 5. All we have to do is we need to perform XOR operations of all the elements. So let us say we perform a XOR operation of 1, 2, 3 and 5. And then what we need to do is we need to take this value n, and from I equals to 1 to n, again we will perform the XOR operation. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let us use this property. XOR of two elements is 0. So since 1 exists twice, so this will be 0. Similarly 2 will be 0, 3 will be 0 and 5 will be 0. So this essentially translates into 0 XOR 4. And then since A XOR 0 is A itself, so this will give us 4, and that is what we want to achieve. And that's the whole idea behind solving this problem. So essentially what we need to do is we need to perform XOR operation on all elements of the array, and then again XOR operation on I for I in range of 1 to n. And once we perform these two XOR operation, the resultant value which we will get is our answer, and that is what we are going to return. So that's the discussion of solution, folks. Now let us see how we have implemented this in Python and C++. So first let us look at the Python implementation. So for that we have two variables, XOR1 and XOR2. XOR1 contains XOR of 1 to n, and XOR2 contains XOR of all elements of array. And towards the end we are performing XOR of XOR1 and XOR2, and that will give our answer. So that's the Python implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our Python implementation got accepted. Now let us look at the C++ implementation. So the C++ implementation is also the same, folks. XOR1 and XOR2. Again, XOR1 is XOR of 1 to n, and XOR2 is XOR of all elements of array ARR. And towards the end we are performing XOR of XOR1 and XOR2. Now let us submit our solution. So our C++ solution also got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.